Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel, and I hope you're doing well. New and it has once again beautiful idea, beautiful designs, crochet handbags style, and beautiful like different and beautiful ideas. And remember, the choice of yarn and color palette uh, can influence the overall style of your handbags. Do not be uh, afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crochet handbags that suit your personal taste. And here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. Like different colorful rainbow crossbody. Use bright rainbow colors to crochet a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. And geometric shape bag. Experiment with geometric shape like triangle, rectangle, round, circle shape, or diamonds to craft a modern and beautiful, authentic and beautiful ideas handbag. So I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this videos till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Take care and bye bye, see you soon.